to my channel. It was a big break. Okay, I know it was. But we're back. We're doing business as usual, you know. It's been busy, it's been crazy because, you know, COVID lockdown, COVID lockdown, COVID lockdown. You need lockdown for... That was my life for the past month, so I didn't have much time to go online as Kitana, you know. If you don't know me, I'm Kitana. If you know me and already subscribed to me, welcome back, you know. Thank you for coming back. And just get it out of the way. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, or even a comment, you know. Everything is appreciated on this channel. I'll reply to your comments, you know. Let's get right into the video. A few months since this product has been like discontinued. Thesis, tea. And then I've had it in, I ordered it like ages ago and I had it in my house for like thousands of years. So today we're gonna be reviewing, oh my god, look what I have. Jeffree and Morphe brushes. I got them, you know. This is like antique. I decided we're gonna review them. Have a look what they all about. You know, if they're working or not. Why they didn't get cancelled. So I believe they didn't cancel due to a scandal. I don't know what the tea is, but we're gonna review them and tell you the gossip. So obviously Jeffree Star has been cancelled like many times, but I'm a fan. I love Jeffree. Add me on the PR list. The packaging is cute. It's like reflective. Can you see? Can you see it? Oh my god. It says Morphe and Jeffree Star, the eye brushes. So we get 10 brushes in this packet. So, oh, this is cute as well. It's like silky. Have a look what we have. Oh my god, so exciting. So we have, oh my god, it's cute. Everything's separately packaged, you know. Like, as you can see, there's a white one and a pink one. How cute is that? I can't cope. So it's very Jeffree colors, you know. I'm gonna try a few of them. I cannot try all of them on my eyes, so basically blending brush. If it's not soft, I'm sending it back. Okay. Oh, that is very soft and compact, I would say. So if you don't know, I'm on TikTok now. Go, I'll leave it down. I'll leave the link down below, you know, TikTok queen. So you know, sometimes when you get brushes, they can come off. This doesn't feel like it's coming off. I don't know what brushes I get at, you know, eBay, sue me. And if you like get all of them, they're very like, the weight is there, but you can tell they're not cheap. So, you know, we're using multicolored palettes. I always use my colors, so we're gonna be using this one. This is James Charles one, this is Morphe one. Look at the size comparison. Which, the bigger the better, isn't it? We're gonna do eyeliner first. I'm gonna do this eye on camera and this eye off camera because, you know, might as well. We're not gonna be sitting here. You don't want to see me doing the same eye twice. My socks are falling out. Oh my god. Wait, let me. Eyeliner. You know, Kitana, you know how we do. Like that, you do a line, then we're gonna connect it to the center. We go for it. Feel it now? Hold up. Why my socks are falling out? So now that we have our outline, we go with brush, normal one, and we add some black because, you know, the darker the eyeliner, the better. And at the same time, it's gonna set it. So basically, that's what we get now. This is our like outline, whatever you wanna call it. I guess we can try this and add some black eyeshadow on top. Oh my god, it's very good. And then here. Now let's see. We're gonna use all of them brushes. So that was very. I never had a big brush like this. It's so like thick. We have 3 proper blending brushes. That one. And we're gonna use some green. I think we're gonna use this green to begin with. Ooh! It takes pigment very nice.
There we go.
It's showing up nice. So can't complain for now. Catches the color well. No, I think this brush worked well. Nothing crazy happened. This is more of a packing brush. Does it have names on them? JS6. What was the previous one? Well, let me check that. We're gonna know all the names by the time we finish. This one was JS5, so now JS6. So we go 35. What's this palette? Does anyone know? Hello? 35B palette. And we go for this green here. A bit lower than the previous one. As you can see, this brush is working pretty well as well. I think I prefer the first one though. Let's go for James Charles, this golden here. We start from the outer edge. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about, baby. We're going with our previous one, and we're gonna go with the leftovers to blend it all together. So we're gonna go for getting some black, you know. Only a little bit, because, you know, we can go very not normal. So we'll go on the inside. I could decrease after, so that'll be a nice transition. The darker blending brush. Previous brush was called JS10. So now we go into the variant. Oh, this is the last one. Oh, so it worked well. It's very small, so I could go in the lines that I wanted to. Blending brush. We should try it. So I thought, what could use? Yellow. You know, yellow. We can. I don't know if it's gonna be seen on this look, but get some yellow, and we can go to get this extra color pop, you know? We can do a cut crease. So, do we have a brush in this set to do a cut crease? No, we don't. I'm afraid. I will go with one of my brushes. Don't look. So I have my cut crease brush. It's small. Lipstick, Focus lipstick in my foundation in color F1 by Revolution, you know, Revel. So I go do a cut crease. So I'm gonna go back with the small one and go with black. Should really be doing with eyeliner, but you know, I'm testing brushes. Look at that, it worked well. On me. Make a line under. You know, so we're gonna do this line like that. We're gonna use some more brushes to do the bottom colors, you know. I'm gonna be using this little beauty. It's called, what is it called? It's 12. I'm confused. I thought it was 1 to 10. That's not. So, oops. That doesn't make sense. There should be, there's 10 brushes in here. There should be JS 1 to 10 in it. Not fucking, what is the first one? 16? Oh no, honey. So we should go for a darker green like this one. I didn't talk about the price, but the brushes, it was like, I don't know, 20 something quid? 20 something pounds. Look at that. Ooh. So now we're gonna add some white. I will do it off camera because oh hella I will look like Oompa Loompa crazy. So now that we have our white there, we can go with this brush again, the black one. We can go with some more black and like intense the bottom line. Look at that. This is some top quality makeup. So we're gonna pop some eyelashes on. Do the other eye. Welcome back, guys. In the conclusion of the video, I would say all of these brights work very well. They even drop in on their own. I didn't use this one because where am I gonna use it? I can scratch my back with it later or brush my hair, you know? The rest of the brushes, amazing, outstanding quality. You know, I don't understand why they got cancelled. Bring them back, bitch. Morphe, what you playing at? No, I'm joking. I feel like the brushes are very soft, very compact, you know, spread colors, nothing. I still have my eyes and still have my brows, and so they do the job. They were a good amount of money and you get like 10 brushes. The names, try hard a bit. JS11 has got me thinking, you know, this is not for my brain, this is not locked up where, you know, no. So what do we think of our look today? We have like green eyes, Barbie who. If I had a chance to buy them, I would, because there's nothing wrong with them. There's like, I'm sure people that brought them before, they're very happy with the quality. By the way, Jeffree Star and Morphe, what can you expect? It's one of the best brands ever. Brushes work fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We don't cancel anyone in this video. I hope no. Don't cancel me, please. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked, let me know down below. Nearly 800 subscribers. This is crazy, guys. I wanted to say thank you to everyone. Look, this is ridiculous. Look like I have squirrels in there. So thank you guys. See you in another one.